pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
syrup tea bread. For this you'll need 350 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 50 grams of stoned dates chopped, 50 grams of seedless raisins. If you don't like raisins, leave them out. $100 grams of golden syrup, like molasses, 50 grams of a light soft brown sugar, half a pint of milk, and 50 grams of margarine. Sift the flour, the baking powder, and bicarbonate of soda into a bowl. Mix well. Now add in the stoned chopped dates. Give them a mix. And the seedless raisins. Now add the golden syrup. The soft brown sugar. The milk. And the margarine into a saucepan. And stir until melted with a wooden spoon. Or stir with a wooden spoon until melted. As soon as it's melted and the sugar's dissolved, pour onto the flour mix. Do not overheat. Blend the ingredients. Now pour the blended mixture into a 1 pound loaf tin as greaseproof paper on the bottom, which has been greased. This goes into a preheated oven at gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Check during baking that the top is not over browning. Cover with greaseproof paper to stop that. And now for the taste test. That wasn't bad at all. I shall give it an 18 on the scrumptious scale. I had a slice yesterday and that was a 19 because it was still warm. So, best served warm.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.